In previous video, we understand the concept of product rule, or that is a really important concept for finding derivatives. So it will help you a lot. And today's lesson, we will understand the concept of quotient rule. And remember, as you know, quotient sounds like a division and product sounds like a multiplication. And because of multiplication, we are adding these two values or expressions, but how it works, just have a little recap. In product rule, which we learned in the previous video, we have to multiply the derivative of first expression with the second expressions directly, and then we add the first expressions and multiply that expression with the derivative of the second expression. So for example, but what we do in this case, in the case of quotient, so first let me write an expression 10 minus x upon x squared plus 1. And we say that y is a function of x, means y is a dependent value on x. It is a dependent variable because x में change की वजह से y में change confirm है. Okay. So here we need to assume first expression as u and the second expression, which is the denominator, as v. So how do we write? Again, let me tell you, we will take the product rule as it is, but we will change the sign because the quotient is a division, and division, you know, it is a repeated subtraction. And product means multiplication and it means repeated addition, right? So that's why we will write it. How it works, it will work like u, derivative of u means first expression, into v minus u into derivative of second expression, right? So numerator में तो ये as it is आ जाएगा, but how it works as a denominator, in denominator we will take a denominator का square, v का square, right? So basically this is our quotient rule. How can we apply that? Okay, first, as I have assumed the first expression means a numerator as u, so it means I have to take a derivative of it. So u का derivative क्या होगा? It is 10 minus x, so it means 10 to constant hai, I will take 0, and how it works, x ka it will be 1, I will multiply with its coefficient 1 and I will subtract the value of 1 from the power of x. So it will be minus 1. Okay, so it means that instead of u prime, I can write minus 1. And what about v? Instead of v, I will write direct expression and I will multiply both of them. Clear, yahan tak? Okay, let's move next. Next, I will put the subtraction sign as it is, and u means the whatever the numerator is, I will write as it is. There will be no change. But v we will take as a prime, means we need to find its derivative. So v ka derivative kya hoga? The expression of v is x square plus 1. As you know, I have to multiply the power with the coefficient. That is 2 times 1 is 2. X or power में से 2 में से 1 minus कर देंगे. And constant का derivative is always 0. And 2x is the answer. So I definitely write 2x here. And what about v? For v, whatever the expression is, I will just copy down the expression and I need to take a square of it. Okay, we will solve the numerators now. We need to expand it. We need to solve it like a algebraic expression now. Derivatives का ताल्लुक बस इसी एक rule तक था. We applied it, but now we need to just simplify that. So let's solve it. Minus 1 into x square is the minus x square. Now minus into minus is minus into plus is minus 1. Next, I will move with I have to multiply this 2 with this sign, right? And definitely I have to multiply this minus sign also. So I'll go with minus 20x, and 2 times 2, 1 is 2, and minus into minus plus. So 2x square is the answer. And what about the denominator? I'll keep the denominator as it is. Remember, there is no need to open the denominator, no need to solve, just you need to solve the numerator values. Okay. Now I need to arrange the like terms, minus x square and plus 2x square. So I have to arrange it, minus x square. And next, I will write the value of x. It is only one value, 20x. Sorry, let me write again. Okay. Minus 20x. Okay. And what is left? The constant value is left, and that is minus 1. So I'll write minus 1 here. So x square plus 1 is whole square. Now I will further solve it. It will be x squared because by solving these two like terms, I'm getting 2 minus 1 is a 1x square minus 20x and minus 1. And as I told you, there is no need to change any, make a change in a denominator. So it is your final answer. So remember, let me recall that in product rule may because product means multiplication and multiplication means a repeated addition. So that way we normally put the sign of addition in the expressions. And what about in the quotient rule? In the quotient rule, we normally use the negative sign in between. Why? Because its quotient stands for division and division means a repeated subtraction. Remember that. So that's how you can just remember the numerator value and remember the denominator में क्या करते हैं जो भी denominator है उसको square ले लेते हैं. So you have to go with this process. Inshallah, you will keep it in your mind the product quotient rule now.